Hey everyone, so today I've got a treat for you guys as well as myself. We're going to be unboxing and taking a look at Olight's limited edition S2R2 Baton. Now this is part of their Spirit line of flashlights, and as you can see this is the Freedom version, which comes in a beautiful rainbow-like finish. It's actually one of my personal favorites because the colors just really stand out and it makes the flashlight pop. It's really unique. And this model also comes made with a titanium body, whereas the standard version of the S2R2 comes with an aluminum alloy body. As far as the specs, they're all the same, but let's go ahead and take a look at those. Now this has a couple of different modes here. It has moonlit, low, medium, high, turbo, and a strobe mode. So on moonlit, you get 0.5 lumens with the runtime of 60 days on a full battery charge. On low, you get 15 lumens with a runtime of 100 hours. On medium, you get 120 lumens with a runtime of 14 hours. On high, you get 400 lumens with a runtime of 4 hours. And on turbo, you get 1150 lumens for 2 minutes, and then it drops down to 400 lumens with a runtime of 230 minutes. Now the reason for this drop down is simply to protect the light from overheating and having the LED burn out. This light is also waterproof and is rated at IPX8, and this is drop tested for falls of up to 1.5 meters. And with that being said, I also want to mention that this light does come with Olight's 5-year warranty promise, and I like that because it gives you that peace of mind that if anything goes wrong with it, you can go ahead and have it replaced or fixed at Olight's expense. And I've only ever had one problem with Olight, but I quickly contacted their customer service team, which by the way is fantastic, and they went out and sent me a brand new model of the flashlight that I was having issues with. Now, with that, I also want to mention that I'm not sponsored by Olight. I wish I was, but I can proudly say that all the lights that I've been reviewing for you guys have been bought and paid for with my own hard-earned money, and I just really enjoy Olight. I can tell that they are a company that stands behind their product, and they really go above and beyond for their customer. Now lastly, I want to mention that this flashlight doesn't run off of a standard 18650 battery. This runs off Olight's customized version of the 18650 battery. Now this is because the battery is able to be charged within the flashlight using Olight's magnetic USB charging cable. You can, however, use an 18650 normal battery cell. The only thing is you cannot charge it inside the battery compartment in this flashlight with the provided magnetic cable. You have to physically take it out of the flashlight, put it to charge on its own charger, and then put it back in when it's done, and then you'll be good to go. But I just wanted to stress that so that you guys know what you're getting and no mishaps happen. So this does run off of Olight's customized 18650 battery, which luckily they send you one already installed. So let's go ahead and open this flashlight and take a look at this bad boy. Okay guys, so I opened the cellophane with a knife, and let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look at it for the first time. Let's let it get some air here so it can breathe. Now I'm really excited. I've been wanting this light for a long time, and S2R2 batons are one of my favorite. Wow, look at that. I definitely don't think that the camera is doing justice to this finish. That is a really nice finish. It's almost like a chameleon in that it changes in the lighting. I wonder how this will look outside in the sunlight. But the first thing that you're going to need to do is remove the film inside that prevents the battery from making contact with the switch so that you'll be able to turn it on. But according to the instructions, you need to charge this up so that it has a good first charge. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off, charge it up, and we'll come back when it's got a full charge and take a look at this. Right now I'm going to show you a little trick I learned to help you not scratch the body of the flashlight when you're opening up the battery compartment to take out that little piece of film. Now, if you were to spin this to unscrew it, the clip right here would rub against this and would likely scratch up your finish, and this is a really nice flashlight, so I don't want that to happen. So what I've learned was you can put a piece of paper to protect the body of the flashlight while you're spinning it. See? So now there's like a little shield to prevent it from rubbing against the pocket clip. Okay, so there's the little tab. You just pop it out, and same thing. Make sure that you have that pocket clip shielded. And I'll just reinsert here. Okay, hold it. And you're good to go. It's good to charge now. Alright, I was excited, so I wanted to show you guys. So this is the cord, and it sticks magnetically like that. That's really cool. And then the standard USB, I'm going to put it into the computer and watch what happens. So see, I was wrong. This light doesn't illuminate. This one does. So it's red, meaning it's charging. So I'm assuming when it's green, it'll be good to go. So let's let it charge, and we'll come back to it. Hey everyone, so our light is all charged up and ready to go. Let's go ahead and show you how to operate this guy. Let me dim the lights here. Okay, this light operates off of a single side switch button. There's no tail switch on this model, and to get to all your modes as well as strobe and turbo, you're just going to do a number of presses and holds on this side switch. The cool thing about the side switch is that it also has a little LED inside of it that gives you your battery status. So let's go ahead and single press to turn it on. So we are in low mode, and there's that battery indicator right there. Steady green means that we got a full charge, which we know we do. Now to get through your modes, such as low, medium, and high, to cycle through those, you're just going to press and hold the button. So we're on low, so it should go to medium and high, low, medium, high, low, medium, high, low. And whatever mode you want it on, just let go and it'll stop on that mode. So I wanted it on low, so I just let it go when it was on low mode. Now, this has a memory function. So if I turn it off and turn it on, it'll be on low. Let's turn it to high. If I turn it off and turn it on, it'll still be on high. So let's go back to low mode. So while it's on, to get to your turbo, you just press the button twice, fast. 1, 2, there's turbo. Okay, let's hold it and go back down to low mode. Now to get to your strobe mode, let's go ahead and tap it 3 times quick. 1, 2, 3. Okay, to turn that off, you press and hold the button. It'll go back to low. Okay, so The turbo mode and the strobe mode don't have a memory function, so if you turn the flashlight off and turn it back on, it'll just go to high mode automatically. So the only modes that have memory are the moonlit, low, medium, and high. Let me show you how to go to moonlit mode. Let's turn it off. So to go to moonlit mode, you're going to press and hold this button while the flashlight is off until moonlit mode turns on. And on moonlit mode, there's no battery indicator light. So let's turn it off and on. See, it stays on moonlit mode. That's that memory function. Also, while the flashlight is off, you can get to your turbo or strobe mode. Let's just do the double tap for turbo. 1, 2. There's turbo. Let's turn it off. Let's get to strobe mode with a triple tap. 1, 2, 3. Let's turn it off. So that is pretty much how to operate this flashlight. What I'm going to do is take this out back and show you guys what it looks like and how it performs in the dark. We will be right back. Okay, now we're outside in my backyard. We have the S2R2 Baton. Let's go ahead and test the modes here. Let's start with low mode. So that's low mode. Let's go on medium. That's medium. Let's go on high. Let's go to turbo. Okay, let's turn it off. Now let's go directly to strobe. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's go to moonlit mode. So that's moonlit mode right here. Just for up close. And let's go ahead and show you that power indicator. Okay. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That was my review on the Freedom S2R2 Baton from Olight. And you could still find other limited editions out there. I also have the copper version. And the stock version, again, has the same specs as these. It's just made out of aluminum alloy, and it comes in only a number of finishes, such as black, green, and you could also find it in purple. But yeah, if you go ahead and look online, I'm sure you'll be able to find some of the Spirit models out there. Go ahead and give Olight a try. They have my full support, and I really enjoy them. They're a company that I'm really glad I found. They have the best customer service that I've ever dealt with, and you gotta love that 5-year warranty. That's really unheard of these days. But they're a company that stands behind their product, and they go above and beyond for their customers. So that's my review. Stick around, subscribe if you'd like more flashlight reviews. Other than that, take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.